Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to get or find Air Canada promo codes in 2025. So this is aircanada.com, which is the official website where you can get the currently working deals and promo codes officially. So first you just have to come on Air Canada and check if there is any coupon codes or deals available by clicking on this deals section over here. Now in the second method, you just have to simply open a new tab where you need to search for Air Canada promo codes 2025. Now here you will see a bunch of different websites that are providing you Air Canada promo codes, and you will see that the official website of Air Canada is also among these websites with the title limited time offers. So you can just open it in a new tab in order to check what the website is currently offering, or you can even open these other websites as well in order to check the coupon codes. Now if you go to the website, you will see that this website is providing you 5% off, 20% off coupon codes. So you need to click on the deal or the coupon code in which you are interested and copy the code from here. If I go to the links that I have opened from aircanada.com, you can see that currently it is showing me 404 error, but no worries, it might work in your country. So here you just have to simply come on Air Canada and you need to just use the promo code that you have copied from this website at the time of checkout. So this way you can find and get Air Canada promo codes in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.